I got this torture.
No. Okay, get in. Get on.
Can I go get my gloves?
Yeah, it is kind of cold. Go get a jacket and a hat. Are you off-roading?
Mama.
Back it up. All right, go.
Mama.
Go. Well, step on it.
Push.
Are you going to push it?
Yeah, I got push it. Touch up.
You don't got four-wheel drive?
Yeah, I want to touch up.
All right.
Look, it's still working.
Oh, it's not working?
Yeah.
Well, you ran it off the road.
Okay.
Yeah? Huh.
What did you do with the black glove? With the pink finger?
I put them where they belong.
Where did they go?
Where should they be?
I don't know where.
In the basket with the gloves. Did you look there?
Wait, where did you put them?
Where they belong in your room.
Where am I?
Where do they belong?
I don't know. Where did you put them?
In the basket with the gloves. Alright, that's enough. You're off the road. Alright, get in.
Look, Mama. You see that?
Yeah, it's a bunny.
It's funny.
Alright, get in.
Look, you see? It's funny.
Ensters. Get in.
Oh,
No, you're out of the...
you are my in the air.
In it. It's good. Get in.
You are my ear.
Go get a hat for your sister. Get in. Close your doors. Close your doors. Alright, go. Here. Alright, stop. Go the other way. Alright, go. You're stuck again. What?
I can't hold on away.
Alright. Go get your sister a hat. Go get your sister a hat. Go. Your door's open. You're gonna fall out. Alright, stop. Stop. Alright, well drive. Alright, stop. Alright, Anna, you need some driving lessons.